Alright, I'm out here at Brownsboro Road. You might notice something's already different. But this is Brownsboro Road in Brownsboro, Alabama. And the crossing's been upgraded. This right-hand signal is brand new, I believe. It was, the old signal used to be right about back there, about where my camera is. But the mast is has a Safetran base. Right here's the emergency information dot number 731-785E. Then you have the mast lights, which are the lights are Safetran 12x20 inch incandescent lights. Right there you can see it's Safetran. I'm making this quick so I can go catch up with 26Q hopefully and be in Scottsboro. Then we've got the bell, which is a General Signals Type 3 electronic bell. Then we have this signal, which is, I believe, is slightly newer, because I want to say there's a video a few days ago showing this crossing. That signal is already installed. This one also is still the old signal, but it had been upgraded to 12x20 inch lights. By the way, it has a Safetran base. Here's the front. Emergency information. And then all the lights on this signal are Safetran 12x20 inch incandescent lights. Right there it says Safetran. And the crossbuck's also correct as well, so it's no longer backwards. That way is looking east towards Chattanooga, Tennessee through Siemens, Alabama. That way is looking west towards Sheffield, Alabama through Decatur, Alabama. This is on the Norfolk Southern Memphis District East End. Right over there is the relay case, which is still the old ones. The only old thing left here is the old relay case. So yeah, here's the upgraded Brownsboro Road railroad crossing. In fact, I want to say the old signal that used to be over there is now at the signal yard in downtown Huntsville, and it has Safetran 12x20 inch lights on the mast, so the side lights are removed and the hole is taped over. So yeah, the upgrade Brownsboro Road railroad crossing in Brownsboro, Alabama. Over and out.